Okay, in this series of videos, we're going to begin our process of writing HTML. So I want you first to go in Atom and go to File and New File. You'll see I get an untitled window here. Move this to the front. And I want to do a File Save As. And here I'm going to save it. And I want to name it very particularly. I want it to be index.html so that when we work in GitHub, it looks for your index page. That is considered the home page, and you need to have the index.html in there. All lowercase, make sure you end it with that .html. That also tells Atom that you are writing code in HTML. So I'm going to save that, and I have a blank screen here. I'm going to do a little copy and pasting, but you can also grab this from the examples posted. So the first thing that goes in is our doc type. So this is what's telling us what kind of HTML I'm writing in. So in this case, as we begin learning HTML, we're going to write an XHTML transitional. So this signals to the browser what code we're writing in. The next tag you need is the HTML tag. And we're going to add a little more information with our HTML tag here, again to tell it exactly what kind of code we're writing. So we'll paste that. I'm going to paste that in there. You can find this basic information within the examples in Canvas to be able to copy that exactly. Every tag I open, I have to close. So I start with this Doctype, and then I start with the HTML, and I'm going to close that. HTML is going to be the very last tag on the page. So everything else before that will be part of our site. The next tag I need is a head tag. So this is the beginning, and again, telling the browser more information about what we're doing on our page. So the things that go in here, one of the important things is to go ahead and include information. This is metadata explaining which character set, so what language, what we're writing in. So you can, again, copy this from the examples on Canvas, but this is something you'll want to include on every page you do. In addition to the meta tag there, we're going to put in the title. So the title is what you would typically see on a browser tab, for example, of what it's called. So page title goes here. You'll want to name every page you have. If you have and you want to be specific, you want to give a sign to your readers or users what you're giving them by including an appropriate page title. So that, again, is going to show up on the browser in the tab there. And so we'll stop with that. So we've got right now really nothing for our site other than the page title, but this is the foundation of what you need to start. So I'll stop there. You can add in, if you want to copy paste that information into yours. We'll delve into actually building the body of the site next.